welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these laundry baskets right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Now, I do have some of these and I actually use them a lot. Last time I didn't know what the quality of them would be like, if they would even last, and they do. I like to take them in my RV because they are collapsible. But I do end up bringing them in my house when I'm not using my RV and using them in my kids' room. I use them to transport folded laundry from wherever I fold them at to each room. So these come in really handy. I do like the packaging on this. You could take it out. This is a really great gift idea, even for like a baby shower gift, because you're gonna have a lot of laundry when you have kids. So very cute packaging. Okay, so this is what they look like. They have a lot of different colors. I was actually wanting to get the black, and I think it's black and white because I think it would match the best. But as you can see, they like bend right here. So you can bend them, like seriously, that's what they collapse to. Super easy. You can put this on the side of the washer. So you're not taking up a lot of space, and then whenever it's time to fold laundry, you just do this, and then you have a go laundry skipbook. I can't even get it in the thing, it's so big. Hold on. So as you can see, this thing gets really big. It has these handles right here, and the handles do hold up. I've been using my other one for over a year now, and I have had no issues. The outside is like a thick, almost like a canvas type material, and then on the inside it has like this water resistant plastic. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what it looks like in use though. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.